Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today, I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade and also upgrade the RAM and hard drive in one of these Dell Inspiron. Oh my god, Discord. Close. Okay. How to upgrade the hard drive and RAM in one of these Dell Inspiron 5558s. So, yeah, let's just get straight into it by shutting the computer down. No, I do not want to sign into OneDrive. So, I shut it down, and it takes a while. This computer's very slow. I don't know why. It was fine a few months ago. Failing hard drive, I guess. But once it's shut down, just wait for the keyboard light to come off. There we go. So, now that that's done, you can flip over the computer and just start to unscrew this bottom panel here, but first we have to remove the battery. Why is it so hard? Okay, it wasn't really that hard. But anyways, we have to unscrew the supposedly two screws right here, but obviously they were removed and never put back, So you would have to unscrew the two Phillips screws right here and lift up this panel here. You might need a flathead screwdriver, or if you have long fingernails at the moment, you can just, pry it up. But there we go. And just pull up like this, and then you're done. So, first of all, this is the RAM. You just pull on these two plastic/metal tabs on the side, and then it comes out. Same with this one. And then you can just put your new RAM in. Oh, is that the Dell logo? Oh, it is. Okay. Anyways, now that that's done, we can unscrew the hard disk drive from hard drive. I'm gonna have to put an SSD into this computer. It's way too slow. Might have to back it up and image this hard drive to an SSD. Oh my, what happened to this hard drive? It's definitely not screwed in properly. And this is a Samsung hard drive. But what you want to do is you want to, of course, unscrew all these screws on the side, holding on the bracket for the hard drive. Pretty simple, easy upgrade, or if you're not upgrading it. Then you can just pull the hard drive out, and there it is. Now you can put your new hard drive back in and make sure it fits properly, and then screw the mounting screws back in. can now screw the mounting screws for the hard drive bracket. So we can screw that in. And there we go. So now that it's done, we can just put the plastic cover back on. And you can see these peg thingies right here. You want to align them like this and then push it down like a door, like a trap door, whatever you call it. And just press down on the clips. And then you can put your battery back in. And then you're basically good to go. You can turn on your computer. Oh, okay. Okay, I don't think it's dead right now. Okay, I guess it is dead because it just turns on for a second and turns off. So anyways, I think that's it for this video. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and check out my Twitter at eFelix5. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.